Hello, my name is Sonia, and we are going to teach you about the Pythagorean theorem. Today with me, I have
Zach.
and
Karen.
okay, the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem is an equation to find the measurement of the side length of a triangle. Standards: A.EE.2. Use square root and cube root symbols to represent solutions to equations of the form x2 equals p and x3 equals p, where p is a positive rational number. Evaluate square roots of small perfect squares and cube roots of small perfect cubes. Know that 2 cubed, 2 squared is irrational. 8.G.7. Apply the Pythagorean theorem to determine unknown side lengths in right triangles and real-world and mathematical problems in 2 and 3 dimensions. Vocabulary. I'm not going to read this all, so you can come back to this if you need it. Important key terms. Hypotenuse, the longest side of the right triangle, opposite the right triangle. Theorem. In mathematics, a theorem is a statement that has been proven on the basis of previously established statements, such as other theorems and generally accepted statements. How to
solve the Pythagorean theorem. Step 1. Identify to see if it's a right triangle. Step 2. Determine the legs and the hypotenuse of the triangle. Step 3. Write the formula. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Step 4. Fill in the numbers you have in the equation where it goes. Step 5. Find the square root and solve.
The Pythagorean theorem will work for any right triangle. Example 1.
For this problem, you are supposed to find the hypotenuse. In order to find the hypotenuse, we are supposed to use the equation a to the second power plus b to the second power equals c to the second power. So, we plug in the numbers and we get 3 to the second power plus 4 to the second power equals c to the second power. And we multiply that out and we get 9 plus 16 equals c to the second power. We add those two numbers together to get 25, and that equals c to the second power. Then we find the square root of 25, and that equals 5.
Okay, for this example, we're going to be trying to find leg A. The equation is a squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. A squared plus 16 equals 25. A squared minus 16, because you have to subtract 16 on both sides. And you get a squared equals 9. And when you put that square root, a equals 3.
Example 3. For this equation, we have to find leg B. 3 squared plus b squared equals 5 squared. 9 plus b squared equals 25. Negative 9 plus b squared equals negative 9. B squared equals 16. If you square 16, you get 4. So b equals 4. Now here with us, we have Amari.
There's a new support group that is opening on Elm Street for people with disabilities. In order for it to open, it needs a ramp for wheelchairs. The only problem is how much wood they need to get if from the porch to the ground is 5 inches and from the porch to the concrete is 12 inches. How many inches of wood do they need for the top piece? Pause the video if you need to work it out. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. 5 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared. 25 plus 144 equals c squared. When you add both of those together, it gets 169 equals c squared. The square root of 169 is 13. The top part of the ramp will need to be 13 square inches.
Alright, a triangle. A triangle is a plane figure with 3 straight sides and 3 angles. Triangle angles. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the 2 interior angles that are not adjacent to it. The sum of all the angles are 360 degrees. Standards. 8.G.5. Use informal arguments to facts about the angle sum and exterior angle of triangles, about the angles created when parallel lines are cut by a transversal, and the angle criterion for similarity of triangles. For example, arrange 3 copies of the same triangle so that the sum of their 3 angles appears to form a line. and give an argument in terms of transversals why this is so.
Important key terms. Angle. The space between two intersecting lines or surfaces at or close to the point where they meet. Leg. In a right triangle, a leg is either of the two of sides that form the right triangle. Interior angle. The angle formed by the segments that lies inside the triangle. Examples. If the angles are equal to another angle, they have the same angle measure. Alternate interior and alternate exterior angles have the same measure. Okay, for this problem, we're supposed to find the missing angle. So, we plug in the other angles into the equation that equals 180. In order to do that, we add both of the angles together to get 135. And then you subtract 135 from 180 and you'll get 45. And 45 is that missing angle.
Your turn. Find the missing angle K. What's the measure of angle K? Take time to pause the video and figure it. Here is the answer. 35 plus 115 plus K equals 180. 150 plus K equals 180. Subtract 150 from both sides and K equals 30. So the measure of the angle K is 30. Conclusion. Triangle and their angle. Triangles are three-sided and their angles are altogether are 180 degrees. In right triangles, the triangle has two legs and a hypotenuse. It's very simple, really.
I hope this video taught you how to do Pythagorean theorem and how to find triangle measures. Thanks for watching.
Bye!
Yeah, boy.
Hyun, 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 hyun.